video from Colored and Confetti. Today's video will be on my Grandma Joyce's carrot cake. Before you start, you're going to need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The ingredients you will need for this recipe are, for the dry ingredients, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. For the wet ingredients, you will need 1.5 cups of oil, 1 cup crushed pineapple, 1 cup shredded coconut, 1 cup chopped walnuts, 2 cups of grated carrots, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 3 large eggs. The ingredients for the cream cheese frosting are 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 stick of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 16 ounces of powdered sugar. The first step is going to be adding your dry ingredients. You're going to want to add your sugar, flour, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, and baking soda into a bowl and mix together until well combined. The next step is going to be adding in your wet ingredients one at a time to your dry ingredients. You will then add your oil, your crushed pineapple, your chopped walnuts, shredded coconut, grated carrots, vanilla extract, and your 3 eggs into the bowl and combine until mixed well. The next step is going to be pouring your batter into 2 9-inch cake pans. Once you've poured the batter into the cake pans, you will put it in the oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Once the cake is done baking, you can remove it from the oven and allow it to cool. While the cake is cooling, you can begin on your cream cheese frosting. To make the cream cheese frosting, you will need a hand mixer and mix in 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 stick of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 16 ounces of powdered sugar. You're going to want to beat this until it is smooth and creamy. After the cakes have cooled, you will begin frosting. You'll start with your first cake and add the layer of frosting to the middle, and then add your second cake on top and frost the entire cake. Feel free to garnish with walnuts, or you can leave it plain. Either way, it's going to be delicious, and that's what really matters. If you like today's topic, you can visit my blog, which will be linked in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Have a nice day.